I've spent majority of my working life building digital products, also known as apps or web apps or mobile apps. And even though we all have one in our pocket, it almost seems that it's still quite magic in terms of actually building and creating new apps. My name is Boyd. I'm a digital account manager at Dapper Apps. I graduated Curtin's business school and I enjoy helping organizations succeed with software. Here are my 3 design tips for developing an app. Getting the user to experience the core value of app as simply as possible and ideally as quickly as possible is a great way to get them engaged early and get them involved using the app more and more. This is related to the concept of path of least resistance. So you want to clear the way, get the user from A to B to what they want to do. A good example is an e-commerce platform where you want them to identify a product and check out as easily as possible. Designing a product is like creating a conversation. It's a two-way street. Just like we do in person, we talk to someone, they nod, they ask questions, and it's reciprocated. When you're building a platform, it's also the same. A user does something, the system must tell the user back that they've done something. A good example of this is clicking a button, it'll change color, it'll highlight, it'll have an animation. It's a very simple way of creating that feedback loop, which helps the user, creates a less clunky experience, and ultimately creates a better product. This one is hard because it's natural to fight it, but you've got to become comfortable with uncertainty. Uncertainty in the process, sometimes uncertainty in the technology, and of course uncertainty in the market. You don't know what Apple's going to do next week. They could change a particular feature. Google could change their maps and how that works. There could be new security legislation, there could be new privacy laws, and these are things that are always going to happen. They're going to be dynamic, and it's really important to acknowledge and be comfortable in that environment. Building a digital product isn't always easy and comes with a range of complexities, but done well, where it's nurtured, fed, watered and supported, can create immense value for organizations.